Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add home and the recycle bin to the desktop in Zorin OS. First go to the Zorin menu and then go to Zorin Appearance. Then click on Desktop. You can then choose to have the home and recycle bin, or trash as it's known as in Zorin, on your desktop by ticking the box next to them. And as you can see, you can also choose to show mounted drives such as flash drives, as well as show up network servers. You can also change the size of them from this drop down menu. And that's how to add home and the recycle bin to your desktop in Zorin OS. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.